Hammer.
What is this?
Screwdriver.
What is this?
Wrench.
What is this?
Pliers.
What is this?
Utility knife.
What is this?
Tape measure.
What is this?
Level.
What is this?
Power drill.
What is this?
Saw.
What is this?
Allen wrench set.
What is this?
Adjustable wrench.
What is this?
Socket set.
What is this?
Chisel.
What is this?
Claw hammer.
What is this?
Sledgehammer.
What is this?
Hacksaw.
What is this?
Mallet.
What is this?
Wire cutters.
What is this?
Needle nose pliers.
What is this?
Combination square.
What is this?
Pry bar.
What is this?
Nail gun.
What is this?
Circular saw.
What is this?
Angle grinder.
What is this?
Dremel tool.
What is this?
Multimeter.
What is this?
Air compressor.
What is this?
Flashlight.
What is this?
Safety glasses.
What is this?
Work gloves.
What is this?
Ladder.
What is this?
Tool belt.
What is this?
C-clamp.
What is this?
Pipe wrench.
What is this?
calipers,